The render back add-on is command line rendering without the hassle of modifying your script for every project you want to render. You can boost your rendering time as it utilizes the console to render your scene without loading the Blender UI. Once you've installed the add-on and set up your scene, head into the output properties and scroll to the bottom. Just select whether you want to render a still image or an animation. When you click the render back button, a console will pop up, and this is where your render will be executed. But before that, make sure to save your project, as it will use the last saved version of your project to render your scene. Optionally, at this point you can close Blender, as the console doesn't need the Blender UI anymore. Wherever you've set the output to be, this is where you'll find your rendered file. And that's it. I hope you find this add-on useful, and please subscribe for future updates. My name is Addon. Have a nice day.